Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your BMW 2 Series key battery. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press it firmly and slide out the emergency key blade. This blade is crucial for the next step. Now, with the blade removed, you'll see a small slot. Use a thin, flat tool, like a small screwdriver or a plastic pry tool, to carefully separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the small, circular battery nestled inside. It's usually a CR2032 coin cell battery, which is a common type. Take a moment to confirm the battery type before proceeding. Using a non-metallic tool, or even your fingernail, gently pry the old battery out of its holder. Be careful not to bend any of the small metal contacts. Dispose of the old battery responsibly. Now it's time to install the new battery. Make sure you have a fresh CR2032 battery. Place the new battery into the compartment with the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, facing upwards. Ensure it sits snugly and makes good contact with the terminals. Once the new battery is in place, carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a click, indicating they are securely closed. After reassembling your key fob, it's important to test its functionality. Try locking and unlocking your car doors from a short distance. Also, ensure the car recognizes the key when you try to start it. If everything works, you've successfully replaced your BMW key battery. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.